Take your time.
Take my time. Yeah, below. Yeah.
Well, when I'm here, see, I feel like I'm
What?
over halfway to the library.
Yeah, we're almost there.
That's what I feel like.
We just there like 2 minutes.
Okay.
I mean, you choose the book and let's go. So.
Okay. 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 Just take our time.
Yeah.
Because it's right up at the signal, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I mean, we're almost there.
Just
Do
one
I have
block.
some? Are returning books?
Huh?
I don't have anything to return, do I?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
The one I borrow.
Okay. Good. Good. Good.
So you can see the people. They're gonna miss you.
What?
They miss you.
Who misses me?
The librarian. Get your things.